Alright, we're going to show you how to adjust the mounting angle of your yoke.
On your Hydra Series printer.
Right, there's a possibility that if there's some sort of impact, such as your bed raises too high and puts pressure on one side or the other, or some other event might move it out of adjustment. It's mounted by 4 screws here. The top 2 are longer than the bottom. They actually go all the way through the block into the truck that rides on the rail. So we're going to start by removing these screws. You'll see the top ones are a little longer. We'll get back to that in a minute. Alright. When you remove these, your yoke will be loose. Carefully pull it to the side, get some sort of padding just so you don't scratch anything, and it should sit there nicely. Next thing you can do is loosen these 2 screws. So you see there are 2 screws here, then the top 2 on the yoke go all the way through. You can do this visually, or you can get a reference block, something, just so you can get a nice reference to make sure this is straight. But what I'm going to do first is temporarily take these shorter screws I took out of the front and put them in here. This is going to assist with the alignment. You're not going to tighten it down, you're just going to barely snug them, so you can still have some wiggle room there. And you want to make sure there's a consistent gap right here. You can do this visually or get some calipers. So I'm going to check this, 5.7. Alright, that's pretty close. Yeah, that's within like about 50 microns. That should be fine. So what I'm going to do is come back over here. Maybe we should leave out the measurement. I'm just snugging down the bottom 2 screws, because we're going to remove the 2 on the top. And all I did was put those in a couple of threads. I'm not going to tighten them down.
Always start all screws before you tighten any of them down.
Right, now I'm just going to just until the screw head touches. You still want to have that little bit of wiggle if you need it. You can do the same thing. We can come down here. You may need to lower your bed if you're using calipers. Go down a little more. Getting closer, just a little bit off. Might take a little trial and error to get it just right. Oops. Alright, that is, yeah, that was like 20 microns off, so that's pretty close. Alright, now once everything's tightened down, you can go back and check it again just to make sure and repeat the process if you find it necessary. 2.03. 10.05. Okay, that's good.
There you go. Any questions, please get back to us through HiRail3D.com or HiRail3D.net.